When summer arrives, it brings with it many wonderful things: warm days, the smell of fresh cut grass, and of course, dandelions. Dandelions have been around for hundreds of years, even into the times of Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. What has been cherished in Europe as a lovely flower has typically been seen as a weed in North America that homeowners spend tireless hours trying to remove. But the dandelion has so many wonderful uses, and today I'm going to share with you one of those: its use in making dandelion honey. I gathered 8 cups of dandelion flowers. When I picked them, I found it was best to grab the entire stem, as this made the next step easier. Be sure to pick only clean, untreated dandelions with no pesticides. Rinse in cold water to remove any bugs and dirt. Put your dandelions in a bowl and pour cold water over them. One by one, remove the green stems and leaves from the flower, leaving only the yellow petals. I developed a twisting technique with my fingers that seemed to help push the petals out. The motion might seem awkward at first, but after I had done all 8 cups, I found I had become much quicker at it. My 8 cups of flowers reduced down to 2 cups of petals, so I boiled an equal amount of water. Once it was boiling, I poured in 2 cups of petals. I added 1 slice of lemon cut to approximately 1/4 inch thick, and I added 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Bring to a boil, then simmer 30 minutes. Remove from heat and let the entire mixture steep for 6 hours or overnight. After the mixture is steeped, it will appear dark yellow. Using a sieve, strain the mixture to remove the petals and lemon, leaving only the liquid. For a finer product, line the sieve with a cheesecloth. Press out all the liquid from the petals using a spoon or spatula. Pour the liquid into a pot and bring it to a boil. Gradually add 1 1/4 cups of sugar and stir to dissolve the sugar. Reduce heat to medium and continue to cook the mixture until it reaches 230 Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. I ended up with a product that had the consistency of liquid honey. Immediately pour your honey into a sterilized jar or container and follow proper canning procedures for longer-term preservation. If you plan to eat the honey right away, it should store well in your refrigerator for up to a month. Really?